Scan complete. All tolerances within spec.
Confirmed. Ready for Bay 3 intake.
Aerospace-grade aluminum blanks are automatically loaded into the 5-axis CNC mill.
Pressure holding steady at 15,000 psi.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with the final curve sequence.
The high-tolerance aluminum components are segregated. The thick fuselage structures of Process A move toward the main assembly.
The optical scan confirms 0 deviation.
Perfect. Right on tolerance for the intake lip.
High-precision drilling heads sequentially bore thousands of rivet holes. Cooling mist is continuously applied.
Humidity levels are stable at 45%.
Good. The UV cycle is complete on section 3. We are clear for the next batch.
A little to the left, hold it steady.
Okay, the alignment punch is in. I have the bolts ready.
An overhead manipulator guides the large panel, ensuring perfect alignment before workers rapidly insert the specialized temporary fasteners. The strain gauge readings are perfectly stable at the limit.
Confirmed. Process A is successful.
A special temporary protective coating is applied to the MiG-21 fuselage, ensuring the highly
check the schematic for the pneumatic routing at rib 42.
Confirmed. Securing this clamp before the engine connection point.
Leak detection test complete. Zero leakage confirmed. The structure is fuel tight and ready for operations.
Sensor array connected to mount point Gamma 7.
Confirmed. Pressure reading stable. Pressure reading stable.
The massive delta wings that have them to one run to wire to visual attention.
Laser alignment shows green. Proceed with the automated sequence. Roger that. Initiating bolting procedure.
Steady on the crane. Alignment confirmed.
Seat is locked on the rails. Attaching the ALS and installing safety pins.
Fluid tracing on the starboard wing looks good.
Confirmed. No leaks at the junction points.
Okay, cycling the controls now. Check for binding.
Looks good. No friction on the bell crank.
Torque wrench set. Final bolt checked.
The Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-21 Fishbed requires absolute precision during canopy installation to ensure cabin pressurization. We use a specialized non-abrasive compound to achieve this mirror-like finish, removing any residual lacquer from the alloy skin.
All rivets and seams confirmed. Nose cone alignment is perfect.
The process A and B transition is flawless. Final approval granted.
Total weight 8,498 kilograms, stable. CG at 25.2.
All parameters green. Check complete. External power connected. Clear the area. Roger that. Moving to the control room.
Following the engine run-up, thermal imaging confirms no critical hotspots on the alloy skin. Structural integrity check commencing now.
Fuel integrity is nominal across the board. Avionics green.
Very good. Final sign-off complete. The fish bed is ready.
Center pressure applied. Make sure the edges are clean. Copy that.
Moving to the serial numbers now.
All pins accounted for and stowed.
Final visual check complete. Clear to proceed.
The logbook and key performance metrics from the engine run-up emphasize the structural integrity verified in Process A and the system integration in Process B.
Pneumatic systems are fully calibrated. And the engine mounts are secure, ready for the next phase.
Hose connected, commencing transfer.
Roger, pressure stable, 200 liters and holding.
Disconnecting now, clear for sortie. Torquing bolts on station 3.
Secure. Retract the lift. The culmination of a successful manufacturing pipeline, transforming raw alloy into a durable, super